Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available screen gestures and motions on OnePlus Nord N30. And to do this, we'll need to open our system settings. Now scroll all the way down and find additional settings. Right here, enter gestures and motions. And here's all of the options we have. And the first one is screen of gestures. I covered that in my previous video on how to use all of the lock screen gestures and motions. So if you're interested, be sure to check it out. And the next thing is swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. Now you can activate it and use your fingers just like that on the screen and it will make the screenshot. Next is touch and hold with 3 fingers to take a screenshot like that. And that way you'll make a partial screenshot. Next thing is air gestures. Control your phone with hand gestures without touching a screen. We'll need to allow it to answer the calls and our contacts list. Now we can answer the calls by holding the back of your hand 20 to 40 centimeters away from the front camera with your fingertips pointed down. When prompt appears at the top of the screen, flick your hand up to answer the call. So if you want to answer the call, perform something like this in front of the camera. Next feature is to mute calls. You can hold your palm again 20 to 40 centimeters away from the camera with your fingertips pointed up. When a prompt appears at the top of the screen, keep your hand still for 1.5 seconds to mute the call. So keep in mind, it won't reject the call, it will mute it when you do something like that. Now we can go back and move to the raised wake. You can lock your device, pick it up in a grip, and it should wake up without touching any buttons. Next is lift to ear to answer the calls and auto switch to receiver. So these features kind of work the same. First one being when you receive a call and you lift your phone to your ear, it will answer the call automatically. If you enable auto switch to receiver, when you lift your phone to your ear, it will also change it to the receiver if you're using any. Last is flip to mute incoming calls. If you activate it, you can put your phone upside down, screen to the table, and it will mute all incoming calls. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.